Banking regulatory advisors versus financial services law firms, which one is better for licensing and compliance? Navigating banking regulations is complex, and most financial institutions underestimate the difference between advisory and legal support. The surprising truth is that selecting the right partner can save months of delays and costly compliance errors. Banking regulatory advisors focus on strategy and regulatory interpretation. They guide banks and fintechs through licensing applications, compliance frameworks, and ongoing regulatory reporting. For example, a new bank seeking a license in multiple jurisdictions will rely on advisors to interpret local banking laws, identify key regulatory requirements, and structure operations for approval. Their insight helps anticipate regulatory concerns and streamline approval processes. Financial services law firms provide legal oversight, contract review, and dispute resolution. They draft agreements, ensure compliance with laws, and represent clients in regulatory inquiries or enforcement actions. While they offer legal protection, law firms may not have the same strategic understanding of regulatory landscapes across different countries, which can slow the licensing process. The difference is strategic guidance versus legal compliance. Advisors help design and implement compliant operations from the start, while law firms ensure contracts, policies, and responses are legally sound. Most effective approach combines both. Regulatory advisors guide the licensing and operational strategy, and law firms ensure legal defensibility and protection against regulatory enforcement. The takeaway is clear: relying solely on law firms may slow approvals, while only using advisors could leave legal gaps. The surprising truth is that a coordinated approach maximizes efficiency, mitigates risk, and accelerates licensing. By integrating regulatory expertise with legal oversight, financial institutions can navigate complex rules confidently, secure licenses faster, and maintain ongoing compliance across jurisdictions.